Hello, Wellness Fam. Today, we reveal 10 anti-aging tips every woman needs to know. If you've been on the quest for timeless beauty without breaking the bank, you're in the right spot. Number 10. Quit smoking. Let's kick things off with a tip that can transform not only your appearance but also your overall well-being: quitting smoking. The detrimental effects of smoking on your skin are undeniable. From poor sleep to accelerated aging processes, nicotine wreaks havoc on your complexion. By quitting smoking, you not only reclaim your health, but also bid farewell to unsightly bags under your eyes, stained teeth, and premature wrinkles. It's time to embrace a smoke-free life for a radiant, youthful glow that speaks volumes. Number 9. Skip the straw. Now, let's talk about a seemingly small yet impactful change: ditching the straw. Believe it or not, sipping through a straw can contribute to premature wrinkles around the mouth. The repetitive puckering motion may lead to more pronounced lines over time. Swap that straw for a glass or bottle, preserving the youthfulness of your lips. It's a simple adjustment with long-lasting effects on the delicate skin around your mouth, helping you maintain a youthful, smooth appearance. Number 8. Ditch refined sugar. Our journey to ageless beauty takes us to the realm of nutrition. We all know excessive sugar isn't our skin's best friend, but did you know it can age you faster? Refined sugar has been linked to collagen degradation and increased inflammation, resulting in less plump and elastic skin. Say goodbye to that sugary donut and choose a piece of fruit instead. By making mindful choices in your diet, you're nourishing your body and safeguarding your skin against the aging effects of refined sugar. Number 7. Prioritize beauty sleep. Now, let's delve into the importance of a good night's sleep on your quest for timeless beauty. Research indicates that inadequate sleep can hinder your skin's ability to recover from sun exposure, leading to premature aging. Establishing a consistent sleep routine for 7 to 10 hours per night can work wonders for your skin's rejuvenation. Implementing sleep-friendly habits such as avoiding screens before bedtime, sipping chamomile tea, investing in blackout curtains, and practicing meditation can significantly enhance your beauty sleep, leaving you refreshed and youthful in the morning. Number 6. Embrace fermented foods. Our journey into anti-aging nutrition takes a delicious turn with the inclusion of fermented foods. Beyond promoting overall health, these foods are rich in probiotics, the friendly bacteria essential for nutrient absorption. Including sauerkraut, kombucha, kimchi, tempeh, pickles, and yogurt in your diet can work wonders for your skin. Probiotics contribute to blemish reduction, wrinkle prevention, improved complexion, and healthy hair. It's a tasty way to incorporate anti-aging properties into your meals, nourishing your body from the inside out. Number 5. Upgrade to a silk pillowcase. Our exploration takes a luxurious turn as we discuss the impact of your pillowcase on your skin. Swapping your cotton pillowcase for silk isn't just a touch of indulgence, it's a strategic move for anti-aging. Silk's superior moisture-retaining properties contribute to hydrated and supple skin. Furthermore, it reduces the likelihood of waking up with lines or creases, which over time can become permanent. Additionally, silk harbors lower bacteria levels, preventing pore clogging and promoting overall skin health. Elevate your beauty sleep with this simple yet effective switch that pampers your skin every night. Number 4. Make exercise a habit. Prepare to break a sweat as we explore the incredible anti-aging benefits of regular exercise. It's not just about looking fit, it's about making your cells younger on a cellular level. Telomeres, protective caps at the end of chromosomes, play a crucial role in aging. Regular exercise has been shown to maintain longer telomeres, effectively reducing the aging process. To reap these benefits, establish a consistent exercise routine, whether it's joining a class, swimming, cycling, or participating in a race. Exercise isn't just a beauty booster, it's a cellular fountain of youth. Number 3. Gentle skincare routine. As we navigate the seas of skincare, the mantra becomes clear: less is more. The misconception that aggressive cleansing and excessive exfoliation lead to younger-looking skin is debunked. Such practices strip your skin of natural oils, essential for maintaining a healthy and robust complexion. Embrace a simple skincare routine that involves gentle cleansing and moisturizing. Reserve professional exfoliation for occasional pampering sessions, and opt for products with natural ingredients. Your skin will thank you for the tender care, displaying a youthful glow that withstands the test of time. Number 2. Manage stress effectively. In the final stretch of our anti-aging expedition, we confront the silent but powerful contributor to premature aging: stress. When stress triggers the fight-or-flight response, it releases chemicals that, over time, wear your body down, manifesting in an older appearance. Effective stress management is crucial for both your physical and emotional well-being. Explore positive thinking techniques, regular meditation, gratitude journaling, and engaging in relaxing hobbies. Spend time in nature, exercise regularly, and witness a more youthful appearance and a calmer, happier you. Number 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Staying hydrated emerges as a cornerstone in our anti-aging journey. Proper hydration ensures that your skin remains supple and resilient, making it less susceptible to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. If drinking more water feels daunting, consider investing in a large, portable water bottle. Swap out tea and coffee for plain water, and set up daily reminders on your phone to make hydration a non-negotiable part of your routine. By keeping your body well hydrated, you're laying the foundation for radiant, youthful skin that stands the test of time.